The most expensive automotive paint gun isn't always the best, and the cheapest one might cost you more in wasted paint and frustration. Most people just pick based on price or reviews, but that's how you end up with uneven finishes, clogged nozzles, and a garage full of overspray. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually deliver. Product number 1: Craft D1 LVLP Premium Kit. First up is the Craft D1 LVLP Premium Kit at $117.52. What caught my eye was how complete this package is. It comes with 3 nozzle sizes, a regulator, oil-water separator, and even a quick start guide. If you want a pro-grade setup that saves paint and reduces cleanup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The LVLP design uses lower air pressure, which means less overspray and up to 65% paint utilization. That translates to smoother finishes on car panels without wasting expensive coatings. The Teflon-coated aluminum body resists wear, and the clearly marked controls make it beginner-friendly. Over 600 people bought this in the past month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs align with what serious DIYers need. Now, some people might complain about the lack of real user feedback right now. Here's the thing though, Craft is known for quality tools, and this kit includes everything you'd normally buy separately. This is perfect for you if you're doing a full car repaint or furniture refinishing and don't want to piece together accessories. Skip this one if you only need occasional touch-ups and don't want to invest in a full system. For the price and included gear, it's solid value. Product number 2: ENDOZER HVLP Gravity Feed Gun. Now, if the Craft's higher price gave you pause, the ENDOZER HVLP spray gun at just $41.96 takes a completely different approach, budget-friendly without feeling cheap. This gravity-fed gun comes with 1.4, 1.7, and 2 stainless steel nozzles and a 600cc cup. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brass hood with 15-hole design ensures fine atomization, so you get even coverage on fenders or door panels. It works great with automotive paints, primers, and top coats, just not latex. The fluid and pattern controls let you dial in exactly how much paint comes out and how wide the fan spreads. Over 500 units sold last month show it's popular among hobbyists. Now, some people complained about the plastic parts feeling flimsy compared to all-metal builds. Here's the thing though, for occasional use or weekend projects, it holds up fine, and the stainless steel nozzle and needle do the heavy lifting where it counts. This is perfect for you if you're painting a single car or doing small restoration jobs and want something affordable but functional. Skip this one if you're spraying daily or need industrial durability. At under $45, it's hard to beat for light-duty work. Product number 3: AEROPRO R500 LVLP Spray Gun. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision work. The AEROPRO R500 LVLP at $95.38. This gun uses only 303.9 CFM of air, making it efficient for smaller compressors, and delivers a soft, fine mist ideal for clear coats and varnishes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual-gear trigger lets you blow dust off surfaces before painting, something pros do all the time but most guns ignore. The Teflon coating resists paint buildup, and the 65% transfer efficiency means less waste. It includes an air regulator, wrench, and cleaning kit, so you're not hunting for extras. With 400 plus sold recently, it's gaining traction among detailers. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it gently and rinse it immediately, it lasts just as long as metal. This is perfect for you if you're spraying high-end finishes or working in tight spaces where control matters. Skip this one if you're blasting primers on large trucks and need maximum flow. For automotive detailing and furniture refinishing, it's excellent value. Product number 4: GATTLELIC HVLP with disposable cups. Now, if cleaning cups frustrates you, this next one solves that headache. The GATTLELIC HVLP at $49.59 comes with 10 disposable 600cc mixing cups and lids. That means no more scrubbing dried paint or wasting solvent. If you want faster cleanup and consistent mixing every time, this system is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brass 15-hole nozzle gives you smooth atomization, and the adjustable tips, 1.4 for clears, 1.7 for primers, 2 for base coats, cover all your needs. The built-in regulator helps maintain steady pressure, and at 275 L-min air consumption, it's efficient. Over 200 sold shows it's popular for quick jobs. Now, some people said the disposable cups feel wasteful or eco-unfriendly. Here's the thing though, they eliminate cross-contamination between colors and save hours of cleanup, which is huge if you're doing multiple cars. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend warrior spraying different projects and hate cleaning. Skip this one if you're environmentally strict or only do one color repeatedly. For the convenience factor alone, it's worth considering. Product number 5, EcoCraft D1 with disposable cups. Finally, if you loved the original EcoCraft D1 but want even easier cleanup, this upgraded version at $128.96 includes 22-ounce disposable cups. It's essentially the premium kit with a modern twist, less scrubbing, same pro performance. If you want top-tier results with minimal maintenance, this is the luxury pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You keep all the benefits of the D1 Teflon coating, HVLP efficiency, full accessory kit, but swap the reusable cup for disposables. That means no more soaking cups overnight or dealing with dried paint clogs. The 650 ml capacity handles larger jobs, and the 3 nozzle sizes cover everything from base coats to clears. Only 200 sold so far, but it's targeted at serious users. Here's the thing though, if you're painting cars regularly or running a small shop, the time saved on cleanup pays for itself. This is perfect for you if you value efficiency and already invest in quality tools. Skip this one if you're a one-time painter or tight on budget. It's the best of both worlds, performance and convenience. So which one's right for you? The ENDOZER if you're on a budget, the GATTLELIC if you hate cleaning, the AEROPRO for precision finishes, and either EcoCraft model if you want a complete pro-ready system. Remember, the best paint gun isn't the shiniest or most expensive. It's the one that fits your project, your compressor, and your patience level. Pick wisely, spray smart, and I'll see you in the next one.